Building real-world intelligence. Understanding, simulating, and acting in real time. Empowering people and organizations to shape a smarter future. Runway real-world AI. After coming into the Runway, this is artificial intelligence-based project that will give you real-time experience. There are actual two type of platform you can get on fun. Interface is about creativity. You can create like a film short, and it can also be in the transition device. This can also be used for AI media platform to developer can use it to make website. Even there are also machine-read documentary you can easily create like robotics. Yes, all of this is going to happen here, and we will also show you workspace to mix its creative work, and you can also create the motion graphics video here, and Nets is about the recipes. Yes, this mean there are different template that you can use to create your own video just by giving you a prompt. There are different character you can select, upload, and choose devices. You can make like Portcosta are your faceless channels. You can grow with them. And here are Lydia's Runway. This mean you are on the lines get to expand partnership. And dear, further if you come on the home interface, look like this. When you will come here, it's mean you are going to, please, you are experienced, we set to drop your idea, click on the next option, it will create the best work with you. But if you want to know about what type of a model is going to be used here, CDAys 2.5, that is the latest upcoming soon. These all of 2.0, there is corrector bowling CDF jajabity deck can do, that will create the images in a fully high resolution to make cinematic video. And we will also show you how it works. First of all, we need to create account on it as sign up account. And for that we can use our Google. There is Apple, our Asseter account. I am going to continue with my Google and then an extension will be open. I will choose my email, and after the permission that we are going to sign in, successfully we click on the continue option. Finalize the account, we have to click on the create option. If you have raffle account, otherwise you can easily click on the skip, and then final account will be done. You can also put here what type of content you want to create. I want to create some short video. I'm going to click on it just to me. I will also go ahead. I will also here a bowl from my fancy, and here you do can all to invite. After that, you can all to upgrade your account. Every model no watermark 4K resolution and their 50+ print your video makeup and mid makeup are here. So if you want to continue with a free trial, and next you will also come here where you are going to give the prompt, select the A model. There are different suggestions too, and I write my idea here. Here's you can also check out Dear Awesome fee credit that I will also use now. And if you have give the prompt here, now you can click on the quality. There is also the quality this course. You can check out everything. You can also proceed, and now I'm going to clicking on the next option. We will work as pace. We will also enter into this one, and here you can also check out that this is a proven that there will be 20 credit will be used. I click on the next of center generate. An image is being generated. After that I will show you a SOPs. Check out, here is the final tune. Final result is now ready. You can also add cut. Here is download option. You can add favorite this prompt. What we have queuing. And now if you want to know it into a video, then here are all the options. You can see there are different apps like films or VFX we can use here. I won't be using this. And there is also the bill side, describe, frame, and animate. First, I'm going to give it a picture. The second scenario is about that if you have an image you can put here. If you want to animate, you can also give it the option suggesting the first frame. There's motions that you will use from the collection. And if you have a upgrade your account, I'll let it, then you can easily go and make these emotions. And if you have any frame that you want to convert using Aleph C-downs, there is also very consistency in this scenario that is multi-shot from one frame into another one. And this is also from one UR prompt. Then all of these looks like race mute and in a high quality, so that's why you can also use a mobile short video. The results a Gen 4.5 AI2 that will give you like a movie scene. And even if you want more realistic video, then you can easily come here with the Killing 2.0. And this is the Runway where you can create your best quality video for your engagement and what else content you can easily use here. But if you want, I'll combine that as possible like trade and al for your raid act for Veek. Ball are bad. Fake it back. So here, let's see how it is going to create, and then it will also generation will be shown here. So it is being done. After calculating and thinking thoughts, what type of our ad should be, the final thing will be shown here. Here is the final thing I'm going to continue. And there, after that, you can also check out all these data I have just provided now, and Farmland will be decide the will be copy draft, and tinging toss just have to wait and click on the approve button. And then funnel of ting is ready for the batch, and we can also create now add into the unmetered size, but this requires some prediction. I am also going to using it in a free dance, so here I just credit that I am going to approve. And other one is going to create like multi-scenario, multi-shorts from bonsai and other side and so on. Now you can check out. There is also another one with first bad day scenario where Kipiter is going to play the kick it. That one is also about the final shot. So in this way, it is working. And if you want to add or added in the concept that this is also possible to customize your video, your cost. And now you can also use this image and download it, and then you will convert into a video just as possible. It is also cause if you want to drop your video, there is also some likes editing tool. Like here, I'm going to adding this one. There is also another one. If I'm going to choosing it, then it will bring into the gallery. We have now added section there. You can also go. There is split option too. If you want to download, you want to customize, you want to add everything as possible. So start your next level experience here with such platform that is going to offering you workflow, event scenarios, based videos. So if you have any question or query, you can ask, and I come for enjoyment because this is possible when you are coming on your interface, and there are multiple scenarios that you can see. But your videos for your scene building, everything is in your hand in one click. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Take care and goodbye.